Shenzhen is China's tech powerhouse, and it's rolling out a 10 billion yuan or $1.4 billion fund to turbocharge innovation in AI and robotics. Targeting AI software, hardware, and embodied intelligence, the move aims to solidify Shenzhen's global leadership. Xu Hua unpacks the strategy driving the ambition.
Shenzhen's robotics sector dominates China, but why? Imagine humanoid robots leaning forklifts, coordinating with autonomous forklifts, or multitasking across dynamic environments. This isn't science fiction, it's Shenzhen's reality. A 2023 white paper on the industrial development of robotics in Shenzhen says 80% of components in Bao'an District's industrial park are sourced within a 50 kilometers radius, slashing costs by 30%.
And you can see this is our latest 6-axis force and torque sensor. And now we are providing this product for more than 20 industrial robot companies.
With the 10 billion yuan or $1.4 billion government pledge to create the best science-tech innovation ecosystem, Shenzhen is shifting gears. From expressive humanoids to micro-factory drone swarms, Shenzhen proves that when innovation races alongside supply chains, the future gets built at Shenzhen speed. Xu Hua, CGTN, Shenzhen.